Everyone is telling you how to make money on Facebook, but no one is telling you about the big mistakes that one can do that can destroy their dreams, right? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel of GetAssist. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about 16 points of Facebook monetization 2024 and their guidelines. So creating content you love and getting paid for it sounds like a dream, right? But before directly jumping into the content creation and making videos, there is a crucial step that one should know. And the step is understanding what kind of content qualifies for Facebook monetization. And breaching these steps can destroy your content, your presence, and demonetize your channel also. So in simple words, if you're not following these policies, then your channel will never get monetized on Facebook or anywhere else. First, static video. Now what happens in this? Videos with a single unchanging picture and voiceover are considered static and ineligible for monetization. The picture is neither changing nor moving. This kind of video is against the policy. So if you think you can grow and earn with such type of content, then my friend, it won't be monetized. Sorry to say that. Similarly, there are more such type of video formats which you cannot monetize. Second, static image poll. Just like those quick polls on WhatsApp, static image polls within videos cannot be monetized. Engage your audience in a more interactive way, just like I'm doing in this video. Third, looping video. Videos that endlessly repeat a short clip like a GIF might be fun, but they won't bring in the monetization bucks by extending its video length. Now fourth, image slideshow. Similar to static videos, slideshows with just changing images don't qualify. Step up your production value with dynamic transitions and engaging storytelling. Number 5, text montage. Text montage is where there is a single image on the screen and the texts are changing one by one, or they are running like those news texts from one end to another end. A single image with scrolling text might seem easy, but it's not monetization worthy. Incorporate visuals and variety to keep your audience hooked. Sixth, embedded ads. Now, this is something you need to understand about embedded ads. Some creators with a good audience take money from businesses and online apps to run their ads personally during their videos, either at the beginning, in the middle, or repeatedly popping up on the screen. However, this is against Facebook policy. While you might earn from the businesses for running these ads, you won't be able to monetize your content on Facebook for such videos. So all of these types of videos I've mentioned in this video are not going to be very profitable to you because they won't allow you to have monetization on your Facebook account or anywhere else. So just keep this thing in your mind. Now comes number 7. Engagement bait. Don't pressure your viewers with tactics like, share, and subscribe just to boost engagement. Focus on creating valuable content that naturally attracts viewers. It might create a problem for you when you go for monetization. We are concluding this 8-point soliciting behavior. Under this behavior, if you are consuming non-food items, showing graphic content, or promoting drug, alcohol use, sexual behavior, or self-harm are all big no-nos and can lead to demonetization. And now we'll move forward to the section of restricted categories by the Facebook policies. In this comes our 9th policy about debated social issues. Here, if your topic considered about sexual harassment, sex, crime, religion, national origin, age, political affiliation, or sexual orientation, then it should be handled with care. You just don't want your channel to get striked or demonetized by these kind of stuff. So you have to be very careful around these kind of topics. If you are cultivating these topics in your particular video, then be careful. Select those portions which are not prohibited by the Facebook policies, and else you can find any other topic that is going trending on the social media or various social platforms. Number 10, tragedy of conflict. Content focusing on death, injury, abuse, mental disabilities, illness, or property damage is generally restricted. However, brief mention with a broader context might be acceptable, but you have to look after that also. But if you keep on repeating it or rely on it, then it might become a problem for you in the near future. Here comes the 11th point of objectionable activity. Advocating for violence, illegal activities like theft and hacking, trafficking, or sharing copyright content will get your content flagged. With this flagged one, let's directly jump on our 12th flag, that is the 12th point of this video, that is sexual or suggestive activity. Content with nudity, sexual activity, sexual harassment that creators are promoting in their content are strictly prohibited under these policies. You don't have to mention each of these things in your video, otherwise it can get striked or get demonetized, as I told you earlier in the video. Now 13, strong language. Derogatory terms, vulgarities and hate speech have no place on your monetized content. You have to be very unbiased. You don't have to support any political party or any political agenda because they just want your opinion, not you are getting biased to any of the political parties or any of the political agendas. You have to also maintain the respect that your audience, that your consumers are showing towards you. With this, we conclude with the 14th point, that is explicit content. Depiction of wounds, infection, medical procedures or other disturbing visuals like decay or medical procedures are not allowed under these policies. Next, we have the third section of category, that is prohibited categories. 15th is misinformation. If you are lying or providing any false information about one particular person or one particular organization to your consumers, then it is strictly prohibited. That company and that person can demonetize your channel and can give you strike and can directly file a case of defamation against you and your channel. So be very careful in determining whether it's a news, whether it's a fact. So you have to fact check each and every content that you are posting on your social media. Similar in our last but not the least category, that is 16th category, misleading medical information. Don't play doctor. If you are a certified doctor and also a content creator who is making videos about medical science, about the medical procedure, then you can deliver those content. But if you are just an expert in that without having any degree or any certification from the government or from the institutes, then you have to mention it. This is my opinion, this is my procedure, but you have to consult a doctor, a medically certified doctor. It depends on the consumer and the viewer from which side he or she wants to choose. Some creators guide you with false medical treatments, medicines or drugs without a doctor's consultation or prescription. Not only cannot be monetized, but can also put you in great trouble if any mishap occurs. Understanding these 16 points is very crucial for turning your Facebook content into a monetized content. Remember, Facebook policy can change. You have to stay updated with these policies so you won't repeat the same mistake again and again. Don't be afraid about experimenting your own content, finding your own niche. You can just apply hit and trial method again and again until and unless you find your original niche that can make you famous and that can actually help you to get monetized. Choose your niche by experimentation, by error and trial method, but prioritize accuracy, respect and a positive online presence. And that's all. Yes, that's all in today's video. If you find this video useful and informative, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends who don't know about Facebook monetization and about the policy guidelines. If you have any queries about this topic, about this video, then leave a comment in the comment box below. So that's all for today. I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching GetAssist.